Mm! Okay, this is the first opening? Shut the hell up. I'm sorry, are you kidding me? Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I feel like this is already gonna be one of my favorites. Look at this cast of characters. All I see is Aki, and then whoever that is with the blindfold, or... Are you kidding me? Why is he just on his knees? Like a dog? Oh, he wants to cop a field, doesn't he? Holy shit. Okay, this is what we heard in the trailer, right? Wow. Yeah, I got the chills. This is already insane. Oh my god. This is so cool. Look at them dance and Aki. God, I can't. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, that was so good.